Hey everybody, welcome back to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about using layer masks to generate some soft transparency. Now what that means is that basically the edges are going to be soft and not such a hard edge, and it's going to be feathered or blurred. So let's go ahead and load up an image, change the background into a layer just by double clicking on it, and let's go ahead and make a selection. So make a selection around the object that you want to preserve. So right now I'm going to make it over top of these canoeing guys. And go ahead and click on the Add Layer Mask button. And when you do that, you can see that the edges are nice and sharp and crisp. But maybe we don't want that. Maybe we want it to be a little bit more blurred. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on, there's a couple of ways to do this actually, but this is the first way. Click on your mask here and just go to the properties panel. Make sure it has a layer mask selected here and you can see your mask, and all you need to do here is feather. And you can see now that the edges of the mask are more feathered out. You can also go into the refine mask here. You can feather it out here as well, and you can see it gives it kind of a little bit of a different kind of feather going on. So that's two ways that you can do it. Now for a third way, and this is the way that I like the most, I think. And let's go to filter, blur, and we'll go to, you can pick almost any of these, but go to Gaussian blur. And that's how I say it, is Gaussian. Some people say Gaussian, but I mean Gaussian just is easier to say for me. And make sure you were on your mask when you did it, and apply the filter, and you can see that the mask has blurred on its edges as well. So if I hit OK, and then let me just add a background layer for us to look at, you can see that there. And you can use this kind of effect to create like a vignette effect, or maybe like a spotlighting effect, or you can think of 100 different things that you could use this for if you're working on your project. So that's how you create a soft edge for a mask and gradually blend it into your background. So that's it for how to do that. It's really easy, but it's actually really useful, and I showed you a couple of ways on how to do it. You got your mask properties, you got your refine edge, which is also in the properties, and then you can apply a blur filter to the mask itself. So that's it. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Hopefully you guys learned something new. See you guys in the next tutorial.